Maybe we'll make our room smell good. It's not doing much.
Give it a second.
Now it is.
Oh, wow!
Oh! Oh, nice.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
It looks like mashed potatoes.
It is mashed potatoes. Go down a little bit, Lucy. And then tilt the camera back. There you go. Oh, wow. It smells good.
It smells like Ivory freaking soap in here.
Oh my gosh, it's a little... Trevor, your face is like in the reflection. You look like a little kid.
Alright.
Are we done?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Is it still recording?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Feel it.
Do we still have... Can we, like, use that as soap?
Yeah.